Hello friends and strangers! Now, I know I promised you guys last week that as we hit 100 subscribers, I would be giving my friend Sam a makeover, and I'm really pleased to see that you guys have been voting to decide whether I do a good job or a bad job on a makeover. If you haven't voted yet, you can still go find my Facebook page, it's down in the description. But sadly, I will not be filming that today. Why? Because Sam did a runner. So, if you see this boy on your streets, please hunt him down and bring him to Katy's house, and you will be rewarded. Okay, seriously, he came up with some lame excuse as to why I couldn't paint his face this week, but he's promised me that I can do it tomorrow, so you can expect the video to be up next week. So that kind of left me stuck for what I was going to film today, so I had to go and find my little notebook. This is my little notebook in which I write down all my little ideas for potential video, and so I had to go through the pages and try and find something worth filming, and that's when I came across the sentence, "I'm declaring war on birds." Now, a lot of people say that if a bird craps on you, you're going to have a really lucky day. Now, I can tell you that a bird has crapped on me at least 4 times in my life, and every single time, I haven't had a single shred of good luck. Starting off with attack number 1 at the seaside. I was just walking along the beach, going to get an ice cream, when, plop, a bird just drops one on my shoulder. Brilliant. Now, of course, you're at the beach, in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing you can do to clean yourself up. You didn't bring a change of clothes with you, so you have to walk around all day long with bird feces on your shoulder. Lovely. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Not. The second time a bird crapped on me was on my head. I was in college and I was sat outside revising because I had my Latin exam in the afternoon, when suddenly I just feel this on my head and I'm like, oh my god, no! So I had to go into the girls' bathroom and wash my hair in the sink. And then to dry my hair, I simply stuck my head underneath that hand dryer machine that you find in toilet. That's when the cleaner comes in and she's like, "What the hell are you doing? Why is your hair all wet?" And I'm just like, a bird shat on me. So naturally, because a bird had just crapped on me, I thought I was going to have a really lucky day and do really well in my Latin exam. Nope, I got a U. I completely failed Latin. I'm going to blame it all on the fact that I spent so much time trying to wash bird crap out of my hair that I didn't actually get to finish my revision. The third time that a bird decided to drop a bomb on me was when I was in the middle of town and I was just going to meet a friend who lives on the other side of the country and had travelled miles to come and see me, and we were going to have a lovely day hanging about in town when suddenly so when I met up with my friend, I was like, "Hi, I'm really sorry, but can we go back home? I need to wash my hair again." I'd only washed it like 2 hours before I came into town, and here I was coming home again because there was bird feces in it. Do I have like an X painted on my head or something? Or some kind of advertisement saying, "Birds, please poop here"? And the last time a bird decided to drop a load on me was fairly recently. It was a Sunday, and because of the way that Sunday trains are slightly different to the rest of the week, I arrived at work 45 minutes early. And it was a lovely day, so I thought, I know, why not spend those 45 minutes outside in the sunshine reading my book and drinking a coffee. So I was walking down the high street to the local park when suddenly, incoming! Bird splat. Now I just want to let you know that my work uniform consists of a white shirt, and this bird's crap kind of stood out a little bit. It was just kind of all along my chest here. You're getting a lovely view right now, aren't you? So suddenly my plans to spend the next 45 minutes outside in the sunshine feeling good about life changed to spending 40 minutes in a bathroom desperately trying to scrub the bird shit out of my shirt. Katy didn't censor a swear word. It's because she doesn't know how to. Seriously, how do people get that little beep noise to sound every time they swear? Can someone let me know? And then I had to spend the entire work shift walking around with a slightly yellowish stain on my shirt. Which is why I'm going to make it my life's mission to run over or shoot as many pigeons as possible. On that note, Sam, if you don't let me do this makeover tomorrow, I will run over or shoot you like a pigeon. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any feces related comments? Why am I asking you to post about feces? Whatever, if a bird's ever crapped on you, then share your woes down in the comments below and we can all plot against birds together. Alright, take care guys. Woo!